Today, the Supreme Court issued directions to monitor the early disposal of pending criminal cases against the members of Parliament and the members of legislative assemblies. The directions were issued in a petition filed by Ashwini Upadhyay challenging the provisions of the Representation of the People's Act, which restricts the term of disqualification as the period of sentence plus 6 years after the release from prison, and disqualifies government servants who are dismissed for corruption or disloyalty to 5 years from the date of dismissal. The court had previously passed a series of orders in this case, creating special courts to try the cases against sitting and former MPs and MLAs, and the Supreme Court monitoring the fast disposal of these cases. Today, a bench of CJI DY Chandrachud, Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Misra observed that it was difficult for the Supreme Court to lay down uniform guidelines, and so the Supreme Court has passed certain directions and left it up to the High Courts to evolve appropriate measures for monitoring the cases. The court has directed the High Court Chief Justices to register a suo motu case called in regarding designated courts for MPs and MLAs, and directed the Chief Justices of the High Court to hear the matter in a special bench or assign it to a special bench. The High Court has been directed to issue orders and directions for effective disposal of the cases, and the special bench hearing the matters may consider calling the Advocate General or the prosecutor to assist the court. The High Courts have also been directed to allocate responsibilities to a principal district and sessions judge and call upon such judge to send reports to the High Court, and the designated courts are to prioritize criminal cases punishable with death or life imprisonment, then the cases punishable with imprisonment for 5 years or more, and then the other cases. The special bench formed by the High Courts has been directed that appropriate orders be passed to ensure commencement of trial in cases where the trial has been stayed. The principal sessions judges are to ensure sufficient infrastructure to adopt technology that will make sure these cases are disposed of quickly. And finally, the Supreme Court has directed the High Courts to create an independent tab on the website with district-wise information about the details of the year of filing, the number of cases pending, and the current stage of proceedings in these cases. The order and more details in this case are available on our website at www.livelaw.in. For more legal updates, please follow LiveLaw on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.